Warning, I am not a professional. This is just a hobby of mine, and then from time to time I get distracted and do stupid things like cutting my finger off. Please don't do that. That really effing hurt.
O'Brien!
I'm trying to make a video! Hi, everybody. I'm happy. You know why? Because I'm sitting here looking at something I've been wanting to build for a very long time, and I'm really excited. Oh, yeah. Oh, I've been wanting this thing for a while. Oh, yeah. I got 3 more of these coming too. But, of course you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to mess it up. Now, actually, I want to see if I got something here that's going to work. So, yeah, let's get this thing opened. Oh, baby. Oh, that's permanent on there. Okay, that's fine. I thought maybe this came off, but that's fine. Oh my God, that is badass. I love that. That is gonna be freaking cool. That is gonna be awesome. Not sure about these tires, but got an idea for that. I am more worried about looking at the frame. And that's the frame. All right. That's going to be interesting. Ooh. Man, Revell really stepped up with their instructions. Look at that. Holy crap, it's like a Mobius kit. Wow. All right. All right, I went ahead and put some of the frame together here. I know I'm kind of like not sure. Why does that look crooked? That is not crooked. Is that crooked? Why does that look crooked? It's a Chevy. It's supposed to be crooked, right? Okay. So, sorry. All right. Bought this a while ago. Got it online. 4-inch or 8-inch suspension lift. Yeah. That's gonna look pretty badass. I'm gonna get it on there. I'm gonna do it. So, yeah, that's gonna be some. I gotta make the drive shafts. I gotta probably make the shocks. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make the shocks. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. But I'm doing it. I'm gonna do it. I want to do it. I gotta do it. So, yeah, I gotta go find some wheels for it. I know I got some wheels somewhere. So now that I know what I'm doing here, let's see if I got some wheels. Found some. Got these way back in the day. Danny from Scenes Unlimited. I think he got out of it a long time ago. I don't know if somebody took him over or not, but here's the groundhogs. Big, beefy. That should look cool, right? Yeah. That's gonna look cool. So, got a little bit of work here. And I like these rims because, you see, they're 8 lug. I had some wagon wheels, but they were like 5 lug, and that's not going to look right on that. So, I got to remember when I put these on here, these are directional, right? I think, yeah, these are directional. So, I got to make sure when I put these on here, I don't screw up and put them on the wrong way. But that's a long ways from now. I got to figure out how to make that work. Got these cool beefed up axles too. It's pretty sweet. So, yeah. All right. I'm not going to show you what just happened because, man, like I said before, if you watch my videos, I am not a fabricator. You cannot just put these on here like this because then they'll be, they'll be bowed in or towed in, right? Whatever you want to call it. So like that, that's not straight. Obviously, have to be straight. So I have to make like L brackets or something to put on here, so I can attach those to it. I am not a fabricator. You watch any of my videos, this is not what I do. So this is going to be really challenging for me. Not what I'm looking forward to, but I'll get it done. Yeah, I'm waiting on parts for a whole bunch of other stuff. That's why I'm not working on anything, okay? I'm waiting on parts for the flamethrower, parts for the 55 chop top wagon, parts for my Iceman for the Revell. I need to finish that one. I can do that one right now if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm waiting for parts, but I've wanted to do this model, so whatever. This is going to be stressful. I'll get it done. 30 minutes later. There are some things that are not worth showing you because I get frustrated. And this is, like I said, this is totally out of my league. Okay? I feel like I need a beer and I don't even drink. Alright. So I'm pretty sure that's squared off. Pretty sure that's where I want it. It looks good. All I did was take some flat styrene and cut those out. Okay, so these springs actually do pop out. All right, so that's the front. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna try and clean that up a little bit. I don't know how, but I'll figure it out. Oh boy. I'm actually kind of proud of myself because yeah, I do not do this kind of stuff. So made L brackets here for them to mount to. Just sanded that off. Put a piece of flat styrene on there. Just got a little mocked up right there. Just for the hell of it. So, of course, all these come off for right now. Springs come out. So we'll let all this glue on here dry. I'm gonna let this sit. This cross member here, oh my god, I popped that thing off about 5 times. I finally decided, you know what, I was gonna take the gas tank and keep that separate, and so I can, you know, paint it and stuff. And I had to put it in there because that thing would not stay still. That would not. Yeah, that was horrible. So yeah, it's not the best job, but hey, it works, right? That's all I needed to do. I'm an idiot. Why didn't you guys tell me that I screwed up? What the heck? Oh, wait, there's no possible way you can do that. Shit! Gas tank's upside down. God, I'm a dumbass. See, now that I did that and I snapped off the sides and I broke one off inside there, I'm just going to have to improvise now and just put the gas tank in the back of the goddamn... Why can't I... Whatever. Whatever. So I just took a piece of styrene, stuck it in there, glued it, just so it... Structural reasons. God, I can't believe I did that. Actually, you know what? I can't believe I did that because that's just the way it is. I'm looking at that cross member thinking that I got it wrong, but I don't think I do. I got a bunch of things to do here. Yeah. I'm hoping that when I get the wheels on, or when I get the axles on and stuff, like, the wheels are going to be big enough for what I want. I might have to just get some different ones, but we'll see. That'll be later. Oh my god. This is... Ugh. Alright. We're going to have to make shocks. We're going to have to get a transfer case. Steering linkage. Drive shafts. I put the fuel cell in the back. I got an idea with this, but don't know what I want to do with paint, so I'm going to leave that body alone right now. Actually, I think I might have a hood with a cowl induction hood. I'm going to go check real quick. 5 minutes later. Nope, I don't got a hood. So, yeah, the one hood I have is actually a little bit too wide. I mean, I could sand it down, but I'm not sure if it would look right or not. So, Maybe I'll try and find a hood. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, I think I'll be done for the day with this one. That time of the video again. Got quit because, you know, my ADD and ADHD are like fighting each other and like, hey, do something else. And the other one's like, no, don't do it. You keep working on this one. No, I want you to work on something else. Okay, fine. That's why I got 15 projects up there on the shelf. I went waiting for parts though, so like, you know, once that comes in, then I'll get back on the other ones, but whatever. Just another project. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like the channel, please go subscribe. Or if you like more videos like this, go watch this playlist. Or you can go check out one of these other videos over here. Yeah, thank you.
Are you about finished with your idiotic YouTube video?
Will you leave me the hell alone?